Welcome to the best picks. The best Suede Couch Cleaner is probably one of the most important investments for your home if you have a suede couch. Suede couches are luxurious, but they can be a magnet for dirt, spills, and general wear and tear. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of suede couch cleaners, exploring the best options to keep your furniture looking its absolute best. We'll cover everything from everyday maintenance to tackling those tough stains. Number 5. Premium Suede Brush and Nubuck Cleaner Kit. This premium cleaning kit is specially designed for suede and nubuck. It effectively removes dirt, scuffs, and stains, restoring the original look of your items. It's safe and easy to use on various items. The kit includes 3 essential tools: a bristle brush, a crepe brush, and an eraser. These tools work together to lift away soil and revive the fibers. You can use them with or without a cleaning solution. This kit is safe for all suede, nubuck, and napped leather finishes. It gently removes spots and stains without causing damage. Always test it in a hidden area first. Made with premium materials, this kit ensures safe use on high-end goods. It's a perfect gift for anyone who wants to keep their suede and nubuck items looking their best. The quality is unmatched. Use this kit on shoes, boots, purses, and more. It's suitable for various items, including car seats and furniture. It will bring the items back to their original texture. What we like? This kit offers a complete solution with multiple tools, ensuring you have everything you need to tackle any suede cleaning challenge. It is safe for all types of suede and nubuck, so you don't have to worry about damaging your valuable items. If you have a variety of suede items to clean, from shoes to furniture, this comprehensive kit is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The brushes are gentle yet effective, removing dirt and scuffs without damaging the delicate texture. I used the crepe brush to break up some marks and the eraser, and they look great. This premium Suede Nubuck cleaner is a good product, worked within a couple brushes of use. Tried it on my pair of Danner Trackwell boots. Nubuck leather is looking like new, big thumbs up. Number 4. Cobbler's Choice Suede Brush and Eraser Kit. This kit safely removes dirt and stains from your suede and nubuck items. The gentle bristles help restore the nap, bringing back the shine and luster. It's a simple way to refresh your favorite items. The dry eraser kit is safe on all colors, providing an effective clean without getting your suede wet. It's designed to lift away oil, grease, and stains with ease. This makes cleaning simple and convenient. The kit includes a gum eraser and a soft bristle brush for a simple 2-step process. This effortlessly removes spots and stains while rejuvenating your suede. It's easy to use and very effective. Cleaning suede and nubuck has never been easier or more effective. Both the eraser and brush help lift away dirt and stains. The gum eraser won't leave marks, and the brush removes surface dirt. Cobbler's Choice is a brand trusted by experts for its unbeatable quality. Give your suede the care it deserves with this kit. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your suede items. What we like? This kit offers a dry cleaning solution, eliminating the need for water and potential damage. The 2-step process makes cleaning effortless and efficient. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to clean your suede without any fuss, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. It easily and quickly removes water, food stains, scuff marks, and dust dirt. Restores the suede to look new again. Worked well to clean up an older tan suede coach bag that I hadn't used for several years because it had gotten grimy around the edges. You can barely see the scratches now. This worked well without causing further damage. Number 3. PEDAG Suede Cleaner and Restorer Kit. Introducing the PEDAG Suede Cleaner and Textile Color Restorer Kit. This 3-piece kit is designed to keep your suede shoes and boots looking their best. It's made in Germany, ensuring quality and effectiveness. The kit includes suede color care, which restores and brightens the color of your suede items. It also helps to repel dirt and water, protecting them from the elements. This product will keep them looking fresh. The suede brush is included to remove dirt and restore the leather nap. Use it to gently brush away any debris and maintain the texture of your suede. It is an essential tool for suede care. The suede cleaner block is perfect for cleaning and removing superficial marks and stains. It's easy to use and helps to keep your suede looking clean. This will help to keep the items in great condition. This kit is made in Germany and France, ensuring high-quality materials and craftsmanship. You can trust this kit to provide the best care for your suede items. It is a reliable product. What we like. This kit not only cleans but also restores the color of your suede items, bringing them back to life. The products are made in Germany, ensuring high quality and effectiveness. If you like to restore the original look of your suede items, this kit is a great choice. What people say. First, the suede cleaning bar took off the salt residue and then I gave it a good brush. It's just a squeeze bottle with a foam top that you just pat on the fabric. The brush was great for smoothing out suede. It is two-sided and the stiff bristles did a great job making all the fibers uniform. Number 2. Care and Cool Suede and Nubuck Cleaner Kit. Tired of dull suede and Nubuck items? This kit is designed to bring back the original color and vibrancy. It's the essential solution for your favorite shoes, clothes, and furniture. This cleaner kit is specially formulated to effectively clean and restore your suede and Nubuck items. It gently removes dirt and stains, leaving them looking fresh and new. Whether it's your favorite pair of shoes, a beloved jacket, or your living room furniture, this kit can handle it all. It's versatile and safe for various suede and Nubuck surfaces. Over time, suede and Nubuck can lose their color and luster. This kit helps to restore the original beauty of your items. It's like giving them a fresh start. This kit includes everything you need to care for your suede and Nubuck items. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their belongings looking their best. Get yours today. What we like. This kit is designed to restore the color and vibrancy of your suede items, making them look new again. It is an essential kit for anyone who wants to maintain the appearance of their suede. If you are looking for a kit that can be used on shoes, clothes, and furniture, this is the one for you. What people say. The cleaner effectively removed stains from the suede couch. It restored the original color and texture of the suede. The product is easy to use and dries quickly. Number 1. Aged Leather Pro's pH Balanced Leather Cleaner. Introducing a pH balanced cleaner, specially formulated to handle dirt and other contaminants. It safely cleans and maintains the integrity of your leather. This cleaner is perfect for all types of leather, including suede and Nubuck. It protects purses, shoes, jackets, couches, auto interiors, saddles and much more. Handmade in the USA in small batches with all natural plant-based ingredients. This ensures perfect product quality and integrity. The cleaner leaves no tacky residue and helps with mold and mildew. It will keep your leather goods looking the best. Use with our Aged Leather Pro's leather conditioner or leather dressing to restore all your aged leather goods. You will also receive the Aged Leather Care ebook to keep all your leather goods looking new. What we like. This cleaner is pH balanced, ensuring it is gentle on your leather while effectively removing dirt. It is made with all natural, plant-based ingredients, making it a safe and eco-friendly choice. If you are looking for a cleaner that is gentle on your leather and the environment, you should consider this. What people say. This product is a bit on the pricey side, but it is made in the USA, all natural, pH balanced, odorless, and skin safe. The bottle has a good quality misting pump spray. The product removed the spot, did not affect the leather color, and did not leave a ring at the edge of the damp area. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.